And that's it, first session is done. Today I'm going home. Actually right now it's 5 p.m. 23rd April, 5 p.m. This is 8th day. I was here 8 days. I closed everything today. I finished a little bit of painting. Not perfect, but it will be better next time when I come. Ceiling is kinda bad, but that green mold and whatever, I clean it. So one room is done, another room is so. I will leave my tent here. Tent is here. 2 tables, some tools, mainly like screws and some simple tools. I disconnected my solar system. Today I even put metal screws in windows, so they are perfectly done. Like big window 4 and small window 2 screws through the wall. Yeah. And I left here manual screwdriver, for example, and electric one I took with me. This is big room. There, it's not yet done. So table, freezer, WC, like toilet, but portable. And that's it. This is my bed and table. And now the walls look already better, but the painting is still wet. When it dries, it will be even better. And that's it. Here it's a lot of mess, but it's not all my mess. It's from my neighbors also, or those neighbors put those panels here and put a red roof now up, and they put these panels that are kind of poisonous here on my part, but I don't know, I never saw them, so I don't know even who they are. Okay, that's it. So you saw when I come here, and now after 8 days, this is final product. No more water, we hydro insulated roof. We put on doors and windows. We painted, we cleaned, we brought a solar system. I think we did a lot for 8 days, and I even went to one mountain peak, Snježnica, like Ilin Vrh. And I went to Orebić looking for steel pipes, but I didn't found them. I found them yesterday in Dubrovnik in Croatia, but they couldn't cut them to 4 meters, so I couldn't drive them on my car because pipes are 6 meters long. So that's it. Okay, I hope you like it. This is my house for 80,000 euros plus some work. and no water, no electricity. Electricity is possible, water is not. Okay, if you like this video, click like, subscribe, and support me with donation or something. You have links in the description. And this is first session here on Peninsula Peljesac. Now I'm going back to Krapina Zagorje, to northern part of Croatia. So bye and see you in next video.